Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this error. I haven't been doing Java for a while, but when I tried to do it now, I found out that I had an issue whereby it says, let me see this first error. The first error, it says different, but let's fix the second error, because the second error could take out all the issues. So it says symbol cannot find symbol class WebView location WebView example. Do you understand? So example, yeah, example. So that is okay. So the WebView and the example, you can see the example is the name of the package or something of the whatever. So but then it's a can't find WebView. So that's simple. So guys, what you got to do is gonna be very simple. You go to let me see my recorder here. You go to your, you can see this this is your folder, but look for project files if you're using Apache NetBeans, Apache 2 NetBeans. So you're gonna click here. So when you click there, you can see where the property is. Then you're going to start typing this. Say, let me see what we can type here. It's gonna be dependencies. Okay, so once you open dependencies, then you can go back here down and say dependency. Okay, after that we're gonna need all those two, the closing, and this is the whatever you close, whatever you close, whatever you close is you open, you're gonna close it. So let's close this. Okay, and close this also to avoid a lot of errors. Okay, so dependencies. So dependencies is the one that comes later, then dependency comes after. Okay, well, we don't have much of that, so but I don't say dependency. I wonder why it gave me that issue. So but it's okay, but maybe to go by. So then you can type in group. Okay, once you say group ID, yes, then you can go out and say org, of which. Okay, so then you come back here. Look what I'm going to try, not Apache, it's going to be open JavaFX. Yes, once you're done with that, another line, artifact ID. Okay, so that's gonna give you JavaFX control FX. Okay, JavaFX dash controls. Okay, that line is done. Okay, we're gonna go to another line which says version 17.0.2. depends on maybe what you're gonna be using by that time. Version, okay, version what, 17. By now we're using 17.0.2. then you close it, you come here and say you close dependence. Okay, you see this line, you have to be very careful. You got to use the appropriate what version. So okay, so After we have dependencies closed here, you're gonna have to open, you're gonna have to close them again, right? So the second time. Okay, why do we even have to do that? We don't have to. Okay, let me see. You've got to close them again, it's fine. Then you open group OJ, group ID. You can copy and paste what you did there. Group ID, put your group ID here. Then after what's gonna happen here? fx java open JFX, right? Then what's gonna happen, also gonna say artifact let me see, what does the effect ID, I wonder if it won't work. Let me copy this once to avoid errors. Okay, but something is gonna change here on the controls here. Instead of using JavaFX whatever, you're gonna use javafx-web. Okay, web is in small letters. After doing that, you go down here and write version, same version, right? But you have to use the appropriate version for that day, for that year. Okay, still the code ends there, but I still see some problems here with my, let me see what's going on here. fx javafx is true. Open JFX, the first one, fx open JFX, yeah, that is super cool. Group ID, I wonder why we have this. Let me try to investigate the group. Okay, that's what it says. It says non-passable. Okay, don't worry about that. Duplicate, it says it's duplicated. Let me try to take it out. Still I get into trouble. Okay, let's say take out that. Then why do we have to need that double thing? Okay, we have to delete all of these too. All of these. Why should we have to? But remember, we have open JFX web. That's where we're gonna have issues, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go back here and get for you all of this out. I'm gonna copy the code here for you, put this code for you. You can see the code, how it goes. Look into the code well. Then there was some maybe mistakes I was doing the code, but now I just copy and paste the code. But those are lines you need here in the pom.xml, right? After that, you can save and see if we have our error again. So when you save, you go back to your file here. You can see all errors are gone, but just typing something, one thing, all errors are gone. So now you can run your program. So Java guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video. So if you got any problem, please, you can leave your comment in the comment box below. Maybe somebody else can help, maybe I can help. If I can help, I will help.